Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to evaluate limits from the graph. So meron tayong Cartesian plane dito. So magbibigay ako ng mga examples. Piecewise functions or kung ano man functions. So let's give an example. Let's say the definition of limits first. So if limit as x approaches to some number equal to y and equal to f of x. So that's it. Yung limit is kung ano yung y value ng basta kung ano yung y value. So sa series ng example dito, let's say this. So yun na may dot tayo dito sa 2, 2. We have a closed circle. And we have an open circle dito sa 2, -4. There is opening from that thing. So meron din tayong open circle dun sa 2, 3. So what is the limit as x approaches what number? 2 from the left. Pag negative, from the left. So what we're going to do here is find the corresponding y value. Pero let's see, paano naman kapag limit as x approaches 2 from the right and limit as x approaches 2 from either side or in the middle? So to evaluate this, what we're going to do is find the y value of the graph as it we're looking for the left side or right side. So as you can see, ito yung left side. Pumupunta siya dun sa pakaliwa from the left side. So ang answer dyan is 3. So titignan lang natin yung y value sa y-axis and that's the answer. So dito naman sa 2 from the right is -4. Kasi pupunta yung graph sa right. And then dito naman sa gitna, of course it is 2. Stay still siya and is not moving from the left or right. So as you can see, that's pretty easy on how to evaluate limits from the graph. So let's get another example. What if we have a open circle dito sa 2, 2? That is like a polynomial function. So what is the limit as x approaches to the positive direction? So the answer here is, just look at this. It's basically 2 kasi it's moving from the positive direction. So paano naman kapag limit as x approaches 2 from the left side? So basically 2 pa rin yung sagot dyan. Kasi if you're gonna look on the graph, yung graph is pumunta ng left and then yung y value niya is 2. So paano naman kapag limit as x approaches 2? So the answer here is also 2. Stay still siya. Maybe you can see. So let's get another example. So what if we have a closed circle? Oh wait, I mess up my graph. Let's say we have a line of symmetry dito sa 4. And then we have a rational function going on here. Dyan. So what is the limit as x approaches 4 from the right side? So as you can see, the graph is moving continuously. Ibig sabihin, it is a non-stop and wala rin akong nilagay na points. So that means this graph from the right side, so tumingin tayo sa right side, is going from infinity to infinity. So What if limit as x approaches 4 from the left side? So as you can see, it is still going from positive infinity. So what if we have x as approaches 4 from either side or in the middle? So it is D and E. What do you mean by D and E? It's does not exist because it's just a plain line of symmetry. So let's get another example. Let's say you take another example. Let me think some group here. What if we have a open circle? It is a 3, 2, and then we have a closed circle here at 3, 4, and then the 3, 2 graph is moving downward. So this is so ugly. I think wala kayong makikita graph na ganito. So let me delete this. It's a parabola that open downward from the negative y-axis. So ganyan. So what if we have this thing? And ang point niya is 3, 2. So what is the limit as x approaches 3 from the right side? So as you can see, we're just going to look from the y value sa y-axis, and that's the answer. So it's basically 2 if we're going to look from the right side. So what if we have a limit as x approaches 3 from negative infinity? So the answer here is still 2. And what if we have a limit that x approaches x from 3 from either side or none? So we have 4. So you can see that is a graph that stays still. Closed circle siya. So now, let's go for our last example problem. I think nagigets nyo na. I hope so. Because from the next video, I think we will evaluate limits by factoring. So we'll reduce some algebra. So what if we have a graph like this? So I don't know what kind of graph is this. So it is a limit as x approaches 4. So from the right side. So you will just look on the right side. So paano naman kapag limit as x approaches 4 to left side? So limit as x approaches 4 from either side. So you can basically answer this, pause this video if you want to. But I will make this quick. So 4 from the right side is -2. 4 from the left side is -2 also. And 4 from the middle is also -2. So that's the answer for this graph. And that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something.